Hello everyone, so my name is Yamini Gawa and in this video we will be sharing about my journey like in 2021 how much I was able to generate revenue from my online income, right? ये कोई दिखावा नहीं है. This is not a flexing video like I'm just flexing okay how much I made and you can also make. No, so basically with my videos there are so many audience, there is so much public, they have been inspired, they are saying like we get so much inspiration when we see that a girl is doing online earning and she's doing amazing, right? So that's why I'm here and I want to share with you that what exactly I have done and which income streams I have done to generate this all income. Okay, so as we will start first, you know that this channel is specifically for affiliate marketing, and of course like I have made a list to tell you all that what I have done basically, right? So first I will show you that how much I have made with affiliate marketing, because that is a business right now I am doing. Basically right now I don't promote others product, I do promote like not on upfront. So what I basically do is I have my own course now, so people go there, they learn affiliate marketing and they start their own affiliate marketing journey from my course, right? So in my course I'm teaching free traffic strategies, because I feel like paid traffic strategies are literally like gambling, right? So we do gambling in that because we don't know what exactly we are doing until we are expert. So we have to actually waste so much money to get these results, right? But of course that is possible, right? Online marketing, online business is possible. So I have done so many things in my past year. So first is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to share with you that how much I earned with affiliate marketing. So I promoted around 5 to 6 products last year for affiliate marketing, and that I was able to make more than 100k. So the first one is Legendary Marketer, where I made $38,000 US dollars. Okay, and the second one is Freedom Breakthrough. With that I made same amount of money, around like approx 38,000 US dollars. And another one is ClickFunnels. Everyone know that ClickFunnels have their affiliate program, and that's a really good program. So with the affiliate program of ClickFunnels, they are softwares, right? So what they do is you do email marketing, you do funnel marketing, right? So these are basically softwares which we use to do affiliate marketing. So I am selling that software, right? So last year I was able to generate from ClickFunnels $1,400, right? And I know it's a small amount for a year, but it's just side income, so it doesn't matter. You know, I was not working too much to promote that product. So yeah, like it's still a good amount, right? And then there is a software called GetResponse, which has given me $850 last year, right? And now other than affiliate marketing, we have so many things to do, like so many. So what I did is I have opened my own business where I created a program for affiliate marketing so that beginners can actually understand the concept of affiliate marketing. Is very easy. I have done several courses, like 4 courses, 5 courses, to see usme kya hai, right? What are inside the courses. But to be honest, those were little confusing, because affiliate marketing is not that typical. It's a very easy concept that simply you have to promote someone's product, right? It's not a rocket science. You don't have to do so much technical stuff or something, no, right? That's why I created my own program to help people. And now with that program, I started back on November 1, and within 2 months I was able to make more than 100k in US dollars, right? How amazing is that? So that journey has given me so much. So, and I'll tell you what I've done else. So I have promoted like affiliate marketing products, which has given me more than 100k. Then softwares, right, which has given me more than $2,000. And crypto, of course, like everyone knows about crypto, so I usually do investment in crypto too. So in crypto last year I was able to make more than $10,000. So it's a good amount, but I don't do too much. But still, like, I just wanted to do. And there's a one girl, Kirti, she helped me. She's from Canada and she's really good. She just gave me courage, because I don't trust in crypto things, to be honest. But then she gave me courage that, Yamini, just go ahead and do this. It's amazing. And I had money to invest, so I did investment, and yeah, results are here. I earned more than 10,000 with crypto as well. Okay, so once we do any business, we do have expenses as well, right? So this is my gross income, not net income. Okay, so this whole is my gross income. Okay, so yeah. And there is one more platform which is called AdSense. From YouTube, we do earning from YouTube as well. So from YouTube, how much earning I have done? $500. Like, it's kind of $466, right? And still one pay is pending. So yes, almost $500. Not too much, because I don't post too much. I'm so lazy to make YouTube videos. Please give me some courage. थोड़ा हौसला दो सब कि मैं YouTube videos बनाया करूँ, so that I can help you guys. I don't know why I am like so lazy to make YouTube videos. It is what it is, you know. Every person have different personality, every person have different kind of things. So I stay so much active on TikTok, I stay so much active on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. But I want to do YouTube so that I can create a long videos and help you all guys to understand the concept of affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is it. How much I made more than 200k, which is almost more than 1 crore in India, of course. But out of those, I had expenses as well. So my expenses were, because I pay to my affiliates as well, right? People are promoting my product and earning good money, so I pay to my affiliates. So that is also my expense. I have to reduce that from my, you know, gross. And you can say my expense was about $25,000, around $25,000, because I pay for my softwares, I pay for my funnel builder, right? I pay for so many things, right? Because we use so many tools in order to do affiliate marketing properly, right? So if you're promoting one product, you don't need tools. If you're promoting 2 products, still you don't need tool, right? But if you do paid ads and these, then you need tools like funnels, like email software, right? So also I need one suggestion from you all, that what would you recommend, what you want to hear, like videos in Hindi or English? Please suggest that. Of course I will follow that, right? And I will see like what I can do for you, because I can speak Hindi, Punjabi and English, so I can make videos in that, right? So my main motive to make this video was to tell you that yes, online marketing is possible. Online marketing is an amazing thing that you can work from home, and literally you don't have to go to your 9 to 5. Just when I started this business, I was a pizza delivery driver. Yes, I worked for pizza delivery, and then I started this business, and this business gave me so much. I used to earn only 30,000 for a year, and now I have earned more than 100k in 2 months. This has totally changed my life, right? So if you trust in yourself, if you trust in your yourself and your mentor, then definitely you can actually grow in this industry. You should find the right mentor who can actually take you through the right path, right? And always make a plan, get your book ready. And what you have to do, look, you will fail so many times. It's not always about winning the game. Before getting this success, I failed so many times. Even sometime I didn't get commissions because of that glitch in the link, right? कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं लिंक में, कई बार वो नहीं हुआ. बट आई हैव गोन थ्रू सो मेनी अप डाउन्स इन दिस बिजनेस. बट लाइफ में भी अप डाउन्स आते हैं. हम 9 to 5 करते हैं, दैट्स नॉट ईजी एट ऑल. सो वी हैव टू फाइट टुगेदर एंड गेट इन टू दिस ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग एज ए साइड हसल. First, do it as a side hustle. Do your 9 to 5, do it in the evening time, and from there, once you have set up this income, like when I left my job, I was actually making 5,000 a month. Then I realized, okay, I can do this, and now I can leave my job, right? This is what you can do. First, trust yourself. Try to work every day, at least post content on social media. Social media is like your job. If you go to your job, you get paid. If you work on social media, if you post every day, you will get paid. Okay, this is not a rocket science, this is not an automatic income, this is not a quick success, not at all. 9 to 5 is easy because you go to your job, they give you money. But on social media you have to post for at least few months, or on TikTok is very quick, so post for a few months and then you will see that they will start paying you, right? And once you're promoting affiliate product, you can get success soon because you're promoting products, and once your channel get monetized, you're all good, right? So thank you so much for coming here and watching my video, and your support of you all is incredible. I really appreciate everyone, you are supporting incredibly. And yes, I'll come up with the videos soon, and stay tuned, I will help you out and we'll get through this. Thank you so much and have a good day ahead.